Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm doing a voiceover because it was very hard to speak while doing this makeup look. But I'm starting out with, I already primed my face off camera, and then I used the Sephora Illuminating Primer. And then now I'm mixing 2 shades of foundation. This is the NYX foundation in Cinnamon Spice, and also Mary Kay in Bronze 1. And I'll also be listing all the products in the description box just in case I forgot the name or the shade, so you guys will know that. Anyways, I'm just blending all my foundation in, just giving me that like full coverage dewy look. Now I'm gonna do my brow. So this brow pencil is from the beauty supply store. All I can remember is that it's a lighter brown eyebrow pencil. And now I'm just shaping it up just to kind of fit her brow shape. And now I'm cleaning it up. And this is my concealer from LA Girl in Pure Beige. And I wanted a lighter one just so it could show that it's more clean and precise. You guys know what I'm doing. You guys know what I'm trying to do. So I'm just going to clean it up. And now I'm going to do my eyeshadow. My entire eye look was from the Juvia's Place palette, the Zulu palette. And I'm just going to go into my crease with brown, then the yellow and the orange. Not too intense, just to give it a little bit of like a little golden orangey warmth. And then my eyelid, I'm going to put the pinky shimmery color. And that's it. It's really simple, nothing too extravagant, okay? Now for concealer under the eyes, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me in 25. Yes, 25. Because you want to sculpt that face and brighten that face. And I'm just blending that out with a damp beauty blender so my face looks smooth. Okay? Okay. The reason why I put so much on my forehead is because Rihanna has a broader, like wider forehead, so I wanted it to look bigger. And now I'm setting my under eyes with my BH Cosmetics contour powder. This is a contour palette, the Studio Pro contour palette, and it's the yellowish shade that I use to set my under eyes. Now I'm sculpting my nose with the LA Girl concealer in Espresso, and this is literally just to sketch out how the shape of my nose, because if I use the powder, then I felt like it would just be too harsh. So I used a little bit, just draw it out, blend it out, and then in the end I would go over with powder just to set it. The reason why I'm putting some on the sides of my nose is because I wanted it to get a shadow look, a shadowed effect, just so my nose could look a little bit more like hers. Now I'm going into my top lip, just to, because her, I forgot the name of it, OMG, but her top lip is very defined, so I needed to go in there and contour it. And now I'm contouring the sides of my face. And I'm bringing it all the way down instead of to the side, because her face is more like on the more structured, longer side. So, and then I'm blending that out to how I like it. So now what I'm doing is going over that contour with a powder just to set it in place and to give it more of a structured and defined look, because the cream by itself isn't as pigmented, I guess, as the powder would be. So that's what I'm doing. Now I'm going underneath the eye with the same colors I used on the lid just to complete the eye look. And if you guys look at her Fenty pictures for the launch, you guys can see that she was wearing like a little bit of yellow eyeshadow and neutral lips, then she had like a red lip. So that's what I was really going for in this look. The entire video you guys will see me fixing the brows because I was never satisfied with it. And now I'm blushing up my cheeks a little, and now I'm putting highlighter on. Rihanna was really dewy, so I just wanted myself to look really highlighted and glowy like her. So she wasn't wearing like bold lashes, so I didn't put on lashes in this look. I just coated my lashes with the Sephora mascara, the big volume one, and that's all I really did. And of course I'm fixing my brows again. So this part right here, Rihanna has like her brow area looks like looked so different. So that's why I was doing this. I don't know, I was trying to get her shape, because I don't even know how to explain it. You guys would just have to look at it. But I was just trying to get more of her like eye structure, so I was going in with a contour powder to kind of mimic how her face looks. And of course, I'm not shy with the contour, because it really helps to contour and clean it up just to get her face structure, even though you're not really her, but you're trying to look like her. Yeah. Okay, so this is the part that was a bit more challenging, but so what I'm doing is her lips are really defined, especially at the top. So I was trying to go in with a darker lip pencil just to sketch out the lip shape and draw like her really defined top lip. And the lip shade I used was NYX Metallic Matte in I think 05, and then on top of the brown lip liner, and then I cleaned it up with concealer. What I kept doing was cleaning it up with concealer just to keep the look more defined. Then right here I went over the entire lip with Elf's lip lacquer in natural, and then just to give it a more like a natural look but still keep the shape to it. And then you guys would see that I kept going in with a pencil just to keep bringing in that like defined line and cleaning it up just to get the look that I was going for. Hey guys, so I'm officially done with the look. I changed my lips into red because I just could not with the nude. I'm no good without you. And if you guys do like it, give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.